Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra dynamic mathematics software is presented at this video series. To view the contents, kindly join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing worksheet to construct a square and verify its properties. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let me show you what type of worksheet we are going to prepare. We are going to prepare a worksheet with a square and try to explore its properties one after the other. First, we will give the definition. Square is a quadrilateral with all sides equal and all angles are equal. We will construct a square, a arbitrary square. Then we will try to explore its properties one after the other. All four sides are equal. We'll ask them to come and drag it and then check whether the sides are equal always. Then each angle is equal to 90 degrees. Again, all the angles are 90 degrees. They can come and check it once again. Again, the diagonals are of equal length. Both the diagonals are there. They are of equal length always. Okay, AC is equal to BD is equal to always the equal length. Then the next one is the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degrees. Therefore, at E, 90 degrees is made. What is the meaning of bisect? E will be the midpoint of both the diagonals. That also we can prove it to the children. Then we can ask them to find the area at a particular spot. You should be a little bit careful. Even though you are putting it at 13 here, it is not coming as 169.3. You should be a bit careful. You have to be you have to go for rounding up to 0 decimal place and check whether at what place that 169 comes. You should be a little bit careful because this approximation one only up to 1 decimal, 2 decimal place it is doing it now. Okay, well, now let us try to make this dynamic worksheet to check the properties of a square from scratch. For that, I have taken GeoGebra Classic 5 worksheet. I have taken geometry view. In the option, rounding off to 0 decimal place, labeling of new points only I have taken. Well, now you can start the problem with that navigation bar so that highly useful to you. Whenever you have made the sheet, one after the other, you can explain to the children and they can understand better. Therefore, in ABC, I will type that heading of this properties of square. Well, I will put it over here. You know how to change the color, how to make it bold and all. Okay, well, now again we can have the text. Square is a regular quadrilateral with all sides equal all angles equal. Well, I have put it over here now. Okay, you can make it little bit. Okay, now I will try to construct a square now. For that, I am going to this segment. Let me draw a very small segment AB. Now I will go to this perpendicular line because this square is made up of 90 degrees everywhere. Perpendicular line. I will take a perpendicular to AB through A. Once again, I have not come out. Therefore, again a perpendicular can be made to this AB through B. Well, now I am going to make a circle now. Now I will take a circle centered at B. Okay, now I will take a circle through the point B, centered at B and through A. I repeat once again. I take a circle with the center B and through A. Now it touches one of the perpendiculars at a point. Let us find the point of intersection. Touch this circle and touch the perpendicular line. You got D. But I want C because I want it to be ABCD. Therefore, I will rename it as C. Automatically, the bottom, whatever is there at the bottom, it will become C1. Don't worry about it. Well, now I want to make a parallel line now. Go to this parallel line. I want to have a parallel line to this AB through C. Simply touch C and touch AB. Now again I am going for this point of intersection. These two lines, they are perpendicular to each other. They touch at D now. I got ABCD. I will complete this square by making use of this polygon tool. AB, C, touch D and then touch A. Now you got a square. Now whatever the lines and circles which helped me, I want to hide them. Very easy, you can right click and hide them also. Here one way of doing it is go to the graphics. Here you see this is the equation of a circle, just remove it. This is the equation of a line, and then again equation of a line. Everything has gone. Now remember this AB you have drawn 2 times, but this F is equal to 5 also you can remove it. Now you got exactly the polygon which you have drawn. Go to geometry now. Now bring this A here, bring this B here to make it a little bit beautiful. C here and then D here. Now you can move it and make it big, or you can move it over here and then put it over here. Well, now let us try to explore one property after the other. The sides are of equal length. Okay, I'm putting it is okay. Let us try to explore the sides now. For that, press escape, touch this AB, it will get highlighted. Right click, go to the object properties, check whether the segment is selected, show label, name and value. Similarly, carefully touch this BC. Yes, BC is selected, show label and then name and value. Be careful, sometimes the whole quadrilateral, that the square may get selected. Again touch that CD, show label and then name and value. Okay, now you see purposefully I selected the polygon. If a polygon is selected, please you have to come out. Polygon is selected, therefore don't know label for it. Escape, carefully select this CD. Now again once again it is not selected. Be careful while you are selecting it, you have to select it. Okay, right click. Okay, again quadrilateral is got selected. I don't know. Okay, now carefully you select this DC. Yeah, well, now the segment is selected. Go to the object properties, show label and then name and value. Carefully, very carefully you select it, this CD now. Okay, DA is selected, show label and then name and value. You got all the sites now. Okay, now you can claim. The children can come and check out. In the text you can explain them that AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA is equal to, either you can have A, B, C1 or D from the object. I will take A. Be careful, this is corrected to 0 decimal place. For always you will get only integers. Okay, it is got it now. Okay, what is the next property? All the angles. All angles are 90 degrees, 90, and then I am having this degree here. It is in the symbol, you know it. Okay, they can come and check it. Go to this angle, click it. You got 90 degrees. Now remember, this is common to all the squares which you are having over here. For let them pull and push and then check it out. Okay, well. Now the next property, the diagonals are of equal length. Okay, you can make any statement. Okay, what is the meaning of it? Go to this segment, draw AC and then draw a BD. Okay, escape, carefully select this AC, right click, go to the object property and then show its value 14. Again carefully select it. Is it selected? Yes, BD is selected. Show label and show the value. Both are 14. It is showing, but it's corrected to 0 decimal place. You should be a bit careful about it. Okay, now this 14 and 14 actually let us see what it is actually. This 14 and 14 is here J and K. You should little bit careful with that. You should know actually what type of variable is allotted to it, because in ABC we have to tell the children that AC is equal to BD is equal to, I think in the object properties you have to take this J or K. You see J or K. I got it now. When I move it, then automatically it becomes 19, it becomes 17, it becomes 13 and so on. Okay, well, it is approximated, be careful. Okay, now the next property, the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Very interesting property. We'll go for it. Bisect each other at 90 degrees. I think if the degrees is not made over there, I think so. Bisect each other at, okay, no problem. You can put that 90 degrees. Okay, good. Okay, well, okay, 90 degrees. Okay. Okay, this is actually made a little bit confusion with you. Okay, 90 degrees. Okay, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. Okay, now I got it now. Okay, now next one is you have to tell that how they bisect each other. Go to this segment, draw the segment now carefully. A, okay, first we will tell that it by 90 degrees is there. For that, let us go for the point of intersection of both of them. We have to tell that at E 90 degrees is made. Okay, let us try to show it. Go to this angle, go for any angle, either angle A, E and B. Go in clockwise direction. Either you can have, either you can show angle BEC or angle CED, anything. Therefore, it is 90 degrees. Now, again, you have to show that they bisect. How to show that? Only one I will show you. The remaining one you can show it very easy. I will take this AE. Once again, come out. Take the same segment. Segment is already selected there. I will go for EC. Okay, well. Now this A and EC, what is the variable it has taken? Let us go to this graphic and then come back. Okay, it is L and M. Right click it. Go to the object property. We want to show it in a different color. Let us take a different color. And in the basic, you can have show the value of it. But it is showing 7. Go for this M. Again, go to the object property. Okay, it has been selected over here. Therefore, you can have the value and you can take the color as red. Same color, you can have kind of make it little bit beautiful also. Go back to this and then come back to geometry. Okay, now what you want to just to tell the children, that is in the text, you can make it as AE is equal to EC is equal to, from the object property, I think we know that it is LMN, already we got it, therefore it is equal to 7. Now in the same way you can show that ED is equal to BE is also the same thing. Okay, well, now the next idea which you can tell the children, that what is the meaning of the area. Area is equal to, now you know that it is AB square or A square, whatever you want, you can tell them that AB the whole square. Therefore from the symbol I can type it over the whole square. Okay, now I got it. Now area is equal to AB square. Now how to get the area directly from this, and you go for this area and then simply click it. You got the area now. But remember, this is actually highly approximated, but how to make it very exactly the integer, already given you the idea. Go to this graphing, adjust this vertices at a particular spot. For example, just to put it here. Okay, exactly you are getting 81, you see. For 9 square is 81. Or you can come out the geometry. Now you can ask the children that exactly what you are getting, here also 81, here also 81 you are getting. Therefore, by making use of the GeoGebra, you have drawn a square and you have asked the children to verify the property of its sides, property of all the angles, and property of its diagonals. And interestingly, the diagonal bisect each other at 90 degrees. They bisect each other at right angles. Okay, always use this navigation bar. And one more thing, already I have given you a caution. This option, rounding off, if it is 0 decimal place, even though it shows 9 here, it is may not be 9. You should be a bit careful. If you want it, go to the graphing and exactly have the length, making use of that grid. By making use of the grid, you can have it. Thank you friends. Let us learn to lead.